What's up, y'all? We are back on our big wheel 99 Road King. If you remember where we left off, basically just got everything tore down and assessed the damage and everything. This one here, my goal is to get everything half-assed mocked up, and I've got all the new parts that I think we need, but get it all kind of mocked up together and get it off to paint so we can get that going on. Our 26-inch front wheel, the other one that we had was actually bent and it's not, nobody can fix it. So got us a new 26 to put on the front. And first thing I want to do is go ahead and get these trees off, because the little studs that hold on the shell for the headlight are both broke off, and I've broke off like 3 drill bits trying to get them out. So I'm going to send that to a professional, let them get that out of there. So we'll do that, and then we'll start mocking up the rear end. I got the exact same stuff that came off of it, so I know it'll fit, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it on there just to make sure we don't have anything bent or tweaked or anything within reason. But we'll go ahead and get started on the front end. These nuts off of here. Yeah. It looks like I don't know what I'm doing, but I actually have no idea what I'm doing. Shit's still falling off here. I had to get new risers for this American suspension trees too, and they were this little plastic pieces and 2 screws, $99. Very proud of it. Okay. We got all that stuff off, so I can go ahead and bring that to machine shop and let them do their thing. And I said we go ahead and start setting the stuff on the rear and see what it looks like. We got our stretched fender here. And I'm still waiting on our hardware kit to get here that has all of our bushings and stuff like that. But as long as it's, like I said, this is the exact same stuff that came off of it. So as long as it's pretty close, we should be good. I'll make a little mount that goes to our bracket back here. And that way then we have some adjustment. We can kind of put it where we want it and everything. So we're close enough there where I can torque it enough to make it go where I want it to. And I guess we can go ahead and, I have stencils for the taillights. We need to go ahead and get those stencils on and drill our holes before it goes to paint. So we'll go ahead and do that too. Go ahead and throw on our side covers and then the bags and lids, just so we can kind of get a basic idea of what it's going to look like. Tab's broken, we'll have to get that fixed. The paint and body guys can do that. And then one more set of bags. I have a new one of these, but this one's still usable. So there's that. Ta-da! It's beautiful. It's like brand new. Somebody here. All right, hopefully this time next week we have all of our painted stuff back and we can actually start getting this thing back together and building it, taking it for its first ride. Don't forget to head on over to Instagram and enter for our Dickies t-shirt giveaway, and please continue to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time. Thank you.